Azure Application Gateway is a Layer 7 load balancer designed specifically for web applications. It provides intelligent traffic management and routing capabilities at the application layer, making it a powerful tool for modern cloud architectures. Application Gateway is a web traffic load balancer that operates at the OSI Layer 7, which is the application layer. Unlike traditional load balancers that work at the network layer, Application Gateway can make routing decisions based on HTTP and HTTPS request attributes such as URLs, headers, and cookies. This enables sophisticated traffic management, including URL-based routing and multi-site hosting capabilities. If you're familiar with Amazon Web Services, Azure Application Gateway is Microsoft's equivalent to the AWS Application Load Balancer, or ALB. Both services provide Layer 7 load balancing with web application firewall integration and HTTP traffic distribution. This makes migration between cloud platforms more straightforward since the core concepts remain similar. Application Gateway offers 4 essential features. First, URL path-based routing allows you to direct requests to different backend pools based on the URL path in the request. Second, multi-site hosting lets you host multiple websites on a single gateway instance. Third, SSL and TLS termination offloads the encryption workload from your backend servers, improving their performance. Finally, the integrated web application firewall provides built-in protection against common web vulnerabilities like SQL injection and cross-site scripting attacks. Application Gateway consists of 5 key components working together. The front-end IP configuration provides either a public or private IP address for receiving client requests. Listeners monitor specific ports and protocols for incoming traffic. Routing rules define how requests are forwarded to backend pools based on various conditions. Backend pools are collections of virtual machines, virtual machine scale sets, or app services that receive the traffic. Finally, health probes continuously monitor the health of backend instances and automatically remove unhealthy ones from the rotation. Application Gateway supports 4 powerful routing methods. Path-based routing directs traffic to different backend pools based on URL paths. For example, sending /images requests to one pool and /API requests to another. Multi-site routing uses hostnames to route traffic, allowing site1.com and site2.com to use different backend pools. Redirection automatically redirects clients, commonly used to redirect HTTP to HTTPS for security. URL rewrite modifies the request URL before forwarding it to the backend, useful for simplifying URLs or maintaining compatibility with legacy applications. Application Gateway comes in 3 SKU tiers. Standard version 2 is the modern tier offering auto-scaling, zone redundancy, static VIP addresses, and optimized performance. WAF version 2 includes all standard features plus the web application firewall with OWASP protection and custom rule capabilities. The basic tier is a legacy option with limited features, no auto-scaling, and is recommended only for development and testing environments. For production workloads, always choose Standard or WAF version 2. Application Gateway excels in several scenarios. For multi-region web applications, it distributes traffic across multiple Azure regions, ensuring high availability and disaster recovery. When securing a PIS, it provides WAF protection, SSL termination, and gateway-level authentication. In microservices architectures, it intelligently routes requests to different microservices based on URL paths and hostnames. Finally, for legacy application migration, it enables gradual migration from on-premises to cloud by routing traffic between both environments based on specific criteria.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.